Welcome to O-Level's Business Studies Unit 11, Marketing, Competition and the Customer. Market research is essential for businesses to understand consumer needs and preferences. It involves gathering, analysing and interpreting information about a market to help businesses make informed decisions. Through market research, businesses can answer critical questions such as whether customers are willing to buy their product, the price they are willing to pay, the target audience, and what features customers like or dislike. Additionally, it identifies which promotional strategies are most effective. By addressing these questions, businesses can align their offerings with customer needs, ensuring success in competitive markets. Businesses can adopt one of two approaches: product-oriented or market-oriented. Product-oriented businesses focus on developing a product first and then finding a market for it. However, this approach is less common today. In contrast, market-oriented businesses prioritize understanding customer needs before developing products. This strategy allows businesses to adapt to changing tastes and competition, making them more sustainable and competitive. Market-oriented businesses use research to predict demand, plan budgets, and ensure that new products meet customer needs before they are introduced to the market. Market research uncovers both quantitative and qualitative information. Quantitative data includes measurable information, such as sales figures or percentages, while qualitative data provides insights into opinions and preferences, often requiring interpretation. This data can be obtained through two main methods: primary research and secondary research. Primary research involves collecting new, first-hand data directly from customers. Primary research is particularly valuable as it provides up-to-date and relevant insights tailored to the business's needs. While primary research is highly effective, it can also be time-consuming and expensive. It involves methods such as questionnaires, online surveys, interviews, and focus groups. Questionnaires gather structured information, while online surveys offer convenience but may lack reliability. Interviews allow for deeper insights into customer preferences but can be costly and prone to bias. Focus groups facilitate detailed discussions among participants, offering rich insights, though they require careful moderation. To conduct research efficiently, businesses often rely on sampling techniques. Random sampling ensures every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected, making it unbiased. Quota sampling, on the other hand, targets specific groups based on characteristics like age or income. These methods help businesses gather meaningful insights without the need to survey entire populations. Secondary research, also known as desk research, involves using information that has already been collected and is available for use by businesses. This type of research offers several advantages. It is typically more cost-effective than primary research, as the data collection process has already been completed. Secondary research can also provide a broad understanding of the market, such as population size and demographic structures, which may not be easily gathered through primary methods. Additionally, external sources like newspapers may provide vital insights, such as economic forecasts, to help businesses assess market conditions. However, secondary research has its limitations. The data may be outdated or irrelevant to the specific needs of the business since it was not gathered for their unique purposes. Furthermore, this information is accessible to other businesses, reducing its exclusivity. Secondary data can be obtained from internal and external sources. Internal sources include sales department records, pricing data, customer records, and feedback from departments such as finance and customer service. These internal resources are often detailed and directly relevant to the business's operations. External sources, on the other hand, come from outside the business. These include government statistics, which provide demographic and population data, as well as newspapers, which offer insights into economic trends. Trade associations also provide industry-specific information, while market research agencies conduct detailed studies on behalf of clients. Additionally, online sources such as company websites and social media platforms are convenient for gathering a wide range of data. However, care must be taken to verify the reliability and relevance of online information. Market research can be conducted internally by the business or outsourced to specialist agencies. Internal research is often more affordable, but may lack the expertise provided by external agencies. Outsourcing to market research agencies can yield detailed insights into consumer behavior and industry trends, although it can be expensive. The reliability of market research data depends on several factors. First, the sample used in the research must be carefully selected to ensure it is representative of the target population. The size of the sample also affects accuracy. Larger samples tend to provide more reliable results, although they are more costly. The phrasing of questions in surveys or questionnaires plays a critical role in gathering honest and unbiased responses. Poorly worded questions can lead to misinterpretation or inaccurate data. The accuracy of secondary research can also vary depending on who conducted it and for what purpose. Bias in data sources, such as selective reporting in newspapers, may distort the findings. Additionally, the age of the information is a concern, as outdated data may no longer reflect current trends. It is essential to approach all market research data, whether primary or secondary, with caution. Businesses should evaluate the reliability and relevance of the data to ensure it supports informed decision making. When designing a questionnaire, it is important to ask yourself key questions such as: what information am I trying to find out? Who do I need to survey, such as specific age groups, gender, or occupations? And where will the questionnaire be conducted? These considerations ensure the data collected is relevant and reliable. When writing the questions, it is advisable to limit them to no more than 12 to avoid overwhelming respondents. Keep the questions short, clear, and easy to understand. Providing simple answer options such as yes, no, or age ranges helps respondents provide accurate feedback. Open-ended questions should only be included when seeking opinions. Additionally, ensure that the questions are phrased neutrally to avoid leading respondents towards specific answers. The sequence of the questions should be logical to maintain clarity and flow. Carrying out a questionnaire requires careful planning. Before starting, think about how you will collect and record responses. Determine how many people will be surveyed, the timing of the survey to capture a representative audience, and the location, as this may influence the type of respondents you engage. After collecting data, it must be processed and presented in an understandable format. Raw data, such as questionnaire responses, can be difficult to interpret. It is essential to identify key findings and convert the data into a clear and concise form for analysis. Data can be presented in various formats depending on its purpose. Tables or tally charts. These are used to record data in its original form. While useful for raw data, tables are often converted into more visually engaging formats. Charts, bar charts, and pie charts are effective for summarizing proportions and patterns. For instance, a bar chart may display trends in responses, while a pie chart can illustrate percentages for different categories. Graphs. Line graphs are particularly useful for showing relationships between two variables, such as trends over time. This format highlights changes and patterns, making it easier to draw meaningful insights. By selecting the appropriate format for presenting data, businesses can ensure the information is both accessible and actionable for decision making. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for further content.